Hey you guys, welcome to my video today. I am going to be doing apple cider keto muffins. So these are really good, perfect for the fall. So I have all my ingredients here, and then I needed some apple extract. So I ordered this off of Amazon, and you can do this thing on Amazon where you can do shop small. So you can search for companies that are small business-owned companies. You can search by state. You can search by woman-owned companies, all kinds of different things. So it's really cool to support small businesses, and you can still use Amazon while doing that. I use Amazon for everything. This came from Amazon, my protein powder. I actually get monk fruit from there sometimes if I don't have time to go to the store. So this apple extract came from a small business, but I still got it on Amazon, which is so awesome. I will link this one in the description if you want to try apple extract for anything you're gonna bake. Check out this company and support a small business. So I have everything else for my apple cider donut muffins. They're kind of a cross between a donut and a muffin. So I have monk fruit sweetener, almond flour, I have baking powder, cinnamon, butter. I have my vanilla protein that I also got on Amazon, apple cider vinegar, and some eggs. So I will get all of these going. I'm gonna cook them in my mini muffin tin, and they're gonna be such a perfect size. These are so great to have in the fall. I will have a little bit of sugar cinnamon on top of these after they come out. They're so good. I'll put the recipe in the description box if you wanna make these. Just like I said, really great for a fall recipe. And also, I just love that I got this on Amazon and supported a small business. So check them out. And then on Amazon, you can filter. You can just put small business in the search, and you can search for any item you want. I'm now getting my super greens from a small business, but still from Amazon. So it's just really cool to support people that are either just starting out or have like a little home business, and really great to support small businesses. Anyways, I will get all of this going, and I hope that you enjoy this video.
All right, I have all my ingredients. So I have 2 cups of almond flour. I have half a cup of monk fruit sweetener. I have a 1/4 cup of vanilla protein. I have my cinnamon, half a teaspoon, and I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'm going to mix all of these dry ingredients all the way together before I add in any of my wet ingredients. I'll just make sure that this is mixed all the way through. So I'm just mixing it around with my fork. You can use a whisk or a spoon or whatever you have. So now I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. I have 2 eggs. I'll just crack those in there. I have melted butter, 1/4 cup. I have apple cider vinegar, 1½ tablespoons. Here's my apple extract, which is so wonderful. It gives us so much flavor. And then I also have 1/3 cup of water. So after all my ingredients are in, I will mix this all together, and it just makes a really great batter for my donut bites. So you can call these donut bites or muffin bites, but they have more of like a consistency of like a old-fashioned cake donut. So they're really yummy and really fun to have this time of year. So I'm going to mix everything together, and then they'll be ready to go into my mini muffin tin. So I have my oven preheated right now to 325 degrees. So I'm going to spray my muffin tin with the cooking spray so that these don't stick. You can use liners as well. I just ran out of mini cupcake liners, so you can just spray your tin, and that works just as well. So I'm going to fill each little hole with my mixture, and this makes a pretty big batch, so you can definitely have plenty for a whole crowd if you want to take these somewhere during the fall for some kind of fall party, or you can also freeze these. I love freezing all kinds of different muffins, and they just freeze really well. I like to heat them up in the microwave a little bit after they're defrosted and makes them super soft and really good. So I am going to cook these now in the oven. Like I said, it's at 325 degrees, and I'm going to bake these for about 15 to 17 minutes.
All right, so these keto apple cider muffins or donuts, whatever you want to call them, are all done. So I am now going to add on some melted butter, and then I'm going to roll them in. I have some monk fruit, sweetener, and cinnamon. So you can add as much or as little cinnamon as you want, depending on how much you like cinnamon, which I actually really like it, especially with this apple flavoring. So good. So I'm going to spread the melted butter on top of each muffin, and I will dip it in the sugar, and this will all stick. These are so good. All right, so I'm just dunking each one in, and then it sticks to the butter. Oh my gosh, these are so good and keto friendly, which is awesome, with the almond flour and just everything else, the monk fruit sweetener. These are so good. All right, these apple cider donut muffins, so good. Check the description box for the recipe. Like I said, it's in there. Check out the apple extract. If there's ever anything that you're making that you need some apple extract for, highly recommend getting it off of that small business on Amazon. So I'll put the link in the description box. It's really great to support small businesses, especially now the holidays are about to come up. So check out that link. And these are so good. I hope that you enjoyed them. Perfect for fall and super healthy. Wonderful little keto dessert. I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of new videos coming up, lots of fall type videos. I can't wait. Thanksgiving is gonna be here before we know it, so I want to do some Thanksgiving videos. So I better get on it and get those posted for you guys. So check back often, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.